Why Java is still ruling. 1. Enterprise adoption. Java has been the go-to language for large-scale enterprise applications for decades. Major industries, including banking, insurance, and e-commerce, still heavily rely on Java for their back-end systems. 2. Robustness and scalability. Java's strong typing and error-checking mechanisms make it robust. Its ability to scale across distributed systems makes it ideal for high-traffic platforms like Amazon, LinkedIn, and Netflix. 3. Cross-platform. JVM ensures that Java can run across platforms, be it Windows, macOS, or Linux, without needing any major modifications to the code. Fourth, constant updates. Java has been regularly updated with major updates like Java 8, which introduced Lambda expressions, Stream API, and other features that modernize the language. 5. Community support. Java has one of the largest developer communities. Open source contributions, documentation, and forums like Stack Overflow make it easy to learn and resolve issues. Comparison with other technologies. Java versus Python. Python has become very popular due to its simplicity and readability, which makes it great for beginners and for rapid development in areas like data science and automation. However, Python's execution is slower compared to Java because it is interpreted, while Java is compiled to bytecode. Java also outshines Python in terms of enterprise-level scalability and performance. Java versus C++. C++ is more performance-oriented because it allows manual memory management and low-level hardware access. However, C++ lacks the platform independence and ease of use that Java offers. Java is often preferred for web and enterprise apps, while C++ is more common in system software and game development. Java versus JavaScript. JavaScript is primarily used for front-end development in web applications, while Java is used mostly for back-end. Though JavaScript, with frameworks like Node.js, has been used in full-stack development, Java remains more reliable for large-scale back-end services due to its speed, performance, and multi-threading capabilities. Java versus Kotlin. Kotlin, a newer language, is becoming the preferred choice for Android development. It offers more concise syntax and modern features, but since it runs on the JVM, Kotlin and Java can interoperate, meaning Java's ecosystem continues to be relevant in Android development. Future of Java, cloud computing. Java is set to continue its dominance in cloud-based applications thanks to frameworks like Spring Cloud and microservices architecture, which align well with the scalability and reliability needs of cloud computing. Big data. Java remains a key language for big data technologies like Apache Hadoop and Apache Kafka. Its performance in handling massive amounts of data ensures its continued relevance in this space. AI and machine learning. While Python is more popular for AI and ML due to libraries like TensorFlow, Java is still a strong contender in high-performance AI systems, particularly where speed and scalability are crucial. Emerging technologies. Java's integration with emerging techs like blockchain, IoT, and serverless computing indicates that it will continue to evolve and adapt. In summary, Java's ability to adapt, its robust performance, and vast ecosystem make it a long-term player in the tech world. While newer languages like Python and Kotlin are popular in specific areas, Java's versatility ensures that it will remain a dominant force, especially in large-scale, enterprise, and back-end applications.